Here are the biggest IPOs to watch out for in 2025. 2024 was the year that IPOs came roaring back. Reddit, Rubrik, and others finally took the plunge. But if you think that was exciting, wait until you see what's lined up for 2025. Today, we're going to talk about the companies that could make or break your portfolio this year. Here's why 2025 is shaping up to be IPO central. Interest rates are stabilizing, venture capital needs exits, and there's a backlog of unicorns that have been waiting since 2021. We're talking about companies with valuations that would make your head spin. But here's the kicker, not all of them deserve it. Some of these valuations are more inflated than a bounce house at a kid's party. All right, so first up, the one that everyone's whispering about, Anthropic, valued at $60 billion in private markets. They are OpenAI's biggest rival. Their Claude AI is already giving ChatGPT a run for its money. Why does this matter? Well, they've got Amazon backing them with $8 billion. They're focused on safe AI, which sounds boring until you realize that's exactly what enterprises want. While everyone is freaking out about AI taking over, Anthropic selling a solution. The risk? AI regulation could change everything overnight. One wrong move by any major AI company and the whole sector could face a crackdown. Plus, competing with OpenAI's Microsoft money is like bringing a knife to a bazooka fight. Now, SpaceX probably won't IPO the whole company. Elon's not giving up Mars that easily, but Starlink, that's a different story. With 3 million subscribers, with revenue approaching 7 billion, it's ready for prime time. Think about it, they're building the internet infrastructure for the entire planet. Every cruise ship, plane, and remote location needs what they are selling. And with 6,000 satellites already up in the air, look to the competitors trying to catch up. So what's the wild card? The regulatory battles in every country, plus the small issues of small debris. One major satellite collision could tank the whole industry faster than you could say Kessler syndrome. Now look, Stripe's been the will they, won't they of IPOs. For is valued at $95 billion. They process payments from everyone to Amazon to your local food truck. They are the plumbing of the internet economy. Here's what's the difference in 2025. They have expanded beyond payments into banking, lending, and crypto. They are not just moving money, they are becoming the financial OS for business. But watch out, fintech IPOs have been brutal. Look at PayPal, Block, and others trading way below their peaks. The market's figured out that processing payments is a commodity business. Stripe needs to prove that they are more than just another payment processor. But here's where it gets interesting. The real opportunities might be in the companies you haven't heard of. Let's take Databricks, the data analytics platform valued at $43 billion. Boring name, right? Exciting business though. Every company drowning in data needs what they are selling. How about Canva, right? And I love Canva because I'm a digital arts teacher and I use it all the time. Yes, Canva, the design tool, 40 billion valuation. Sounds crazy until you realize they've got 170 million users, including me, and actual profits. In the age of everyone being a content creator, they're selling the picks and shovels. And don't sleep on Shein. Controversial? Yes. Profitable? Incredibly. They have revolutionized fast fashion, whether we like it or not. If you can navigate the PR minefield, this could be huge. Here's my hot take. Half of these IPOs will be overpriced. The first day pop era is over. Look at the recent IPOs. Most are trading below their offering price. The smart money isn't rushing in on day one. They're waiting on the lockup period to end for the reality to set in, for valuations to make sense. Because here's the truth, in 2025, it's not about finding the next Amazon. It's about not buying the next WeWork. The difference between a good company and a good investment has never been wider. So watch out for all these IPOs that I just stated. Remember though, in the stock market, being early is the same as being wrong. Sometimes the best move is to wait for the hype to die down and buy the future at a discount. 2025 is going to be wild. Choose wisely. Peace.